Alright, with this software you can convert any website link into Android app. All you need is just the website link. It may be blog, it may be blog link, it may be login link, it may be sign up, any link. So even if you have HTML files, so you can still convert the files into Android app. But in this place we are converting only URL, so which is the link. So if you want to convert files, you can select this, but we are converting URL. So here we go. Now what will be your app name? Let me just put my first app. And in this place, package name, that means ID you want to give to it in case you want to upload it on Play Store. So let me just call this one my first app. Alright, now this will be your version code. That means version maybe 1. This is version 1.1.0. Now you are done with that. So auto rotate is okay like this. Now this will be the about, anything you like here, and you can leave everything for default like that. But the URL you want to convert, so if it's HTTP or is HTTPS, so if it's HTTPS, select that and type your website link, you put it inside here. But my own website link is this. If you login page, you can just continue by typing this, anything you like you can put there. So this is my own website link. In case you want to add Admob, so click this, your banner add unit, another add unit. Alright, now what about the theme color? So theme color, here we have different colors to use. So if you want black, select black and apply. After that, your icon. So let me use icon. You can see this icon changes to splash screen here. So that means if you want splash screen for this 5000 milliseconds means 5 seconds. So if you want it, fine. If you don't want this splash screen, you can still disable it by just changing it to 0. Alright, now under this permission, I prefer to uncheck all. Just uncheck all. It's okay like this. And this one, remove days, put to refresh. Let's add this there, so that when you your app, when you scroll down like that, it will refresh. When you put down, it will refresh. Okay, now in case you don't like this row, this wheel, so you can change it here. You can see we have different one to use. You can see we have dotted, so I like dotted, and if you want this system default, you can still select it. Good. Now after that, you are done with your conversion, so you just click on generate APK and you wait for like a minute. So it's processing your app. So after this, you see your app on your desktop. So it normally goes to desktop. So from there you can move it to your phone and install. So your app is ready. And if you want to upload it on Play Store, you can go ahead. So you can see finish. My app is ready. Let me look for it. This is it on my desktop. So I've seen it here. Let me show you. This is the app. You can see my first app, so it's 1.08 MB. So this is it. So if you move it to your Android phone, then you can install from there. So this is our tutorial for today on how to use this software.